Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, can you help me to subscribe and do well to follow our Telegram group, because we drop daily updates on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys a very powerful strategy that can really help you guys to trade your crash 1000 on 5-minute time frames. So as we can see now, we have our crash 1000 on 5-minute time frames here, and we have our indicator strategy here which we are going to be using. And the first thing that you need to note is that we have our two envelope here that is moving on our color of blue and red. So, and you have your 90 level as your selling zone, your 50 level as your take profits, and your 10th level as your buy zone. So what you are going to be doing is that anytime you have our envelope of blue color reaching the 90 level, and we have our red envelope reaching our 10th level, that's when you are going to be buying the market, and that is when you are going to be selling down the market. So let me show you guys on how to do it. And guys, don't forget that for you to have an accurate entry here, you have to confirm if that particular entry stay on the 90 level. If it stay on the 90 level, and to do that you have to move your trade from the beginning of the screen, you have to move it to the end of the screen, and if it still stay on that 90 level, that means it's the best accurate entry for you to take. So let us check what is going on in the trade. As you can see here, now to adjust your phone settings to that particular thing, you need to check this particular arrow. You can see we have an arrow here. This is what you are going to be moving up and down, and you are going to be seeing that it's moved my charts from beginning to the end. You can see that. So we are going to be checking if this particular trend is going to stay on that particular line or not. So let's check it. We can see now currently now that that particular line is not on 90 level. So that is to give us that particular entry is not 100% what accurate. You can see it went down a little bit, and you can see a trace back here around there. So it's not best for us to take. So let's go and look for a best entry for us to take. So we have if you have another two confirmation here, let's check if the two of them stay on that 10 level for us to have a successful trade. Let's check that. So we move it from beginning to the end. We can see that the two of them stay on that particular on that particular 10th level, and that's to tell us that this particular area and this particular area is good for our buy zone. You can see what happened in the market retrace back and give us about a better shootout. So that is one of the best entry that you have to take. And we can see this, you can see how this particular selling zone is jumping up and down. So it's not a good entry to take. What you just need is to patient and wait for a particular entry to confirm it for you. You can see what happened here again. Let's check what happened here. We can see that we want to set down the market, and we want to confirm if that particular entry is on the 90 level. We move it from beginning to the end, and we can see that is on that particular level. So our entry will be around somewhere here, and we can see what the market did. It moved on a downtrend, a massive downtrend. You can see that. So that's how to do it. And we also you just need to check it from time to time. If it sits on that particular 10th level, and then you are good to go. If it sits on it, then you are good to go. So like what we have here, like what we have currently here now, we want to see if it sits on it, and it might be the best entry for us. We can see it sit on it, and that our best entry will be around somewhere here. A pullback here, we can see what the market did. So that's exactly what you can use time to time to trade your crash 1000 and the boom 1000. This strategy works on all boom and crash index. Now guys, let me show you the setup of this strategy so that you can also have it on your phone and trade like this. We have the average directional movement index, we have the period of 20, we have our level to be 50, 10 and 10. We have our style to be at the color of our background because we don't want that to show up. That's why we have it on the color of our background. And also we have our DI2 and our DI on the color of our background because we don't want it to show. So once you set it at the color of your background, then you press on save. Once you have it saved, then you click on your envelope. When you click on your envelope, you have your period to be 50, shift to be 0, divisional 0.100. We have methods to be simple, apply to close, and we have our color as this. Then you click on save. Once you click on save, you will have the same setup I have it here on my phone. So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly help us to subscribe to this channel and do well to follow our Telegram group for more updates on boom and crash index and step index. Thanks guys, see you guys in the next video.